barn dust, but it's all here. That dust is years thick. Let's see if it even wakes up. Nothing, not even a click. Front brake feels stuck. It barely rolls. Stale fuel, Varnish City. Green corrosion everywhere. We'll drain everything first. At least the drain bolt moved. That oil is tar. We'll flush this system later. Fuel off, no surprises. Clamp it before we pull. Lines off, stinks like old paint. It moved, no snap. Varnish flakes, needs a deep clean. Seat comes off next. Seat foam's gone, no surprise. Underseat wiring is filthy. Contact cleaner, let it work. Carbs will be glued shut. Seized clamps, slow and steady.
Bench time, full teardown.
Float needle was stuck solid.
Free the rust before turning.
Leader moved, good sign. Old fluid turns to sludge.
This explains the stuck piston.
Drain done, seal it for now. Keep debris out of the engine. Next, brakes, wiring, and a full clean. Caliper bolts, don't rush. Hang it, don't stress the hose. That piston's glued by grime. Penetrant first, always. Pads are stuck and glazed. Air pop slowly. Finally, piston's out. We saved the original piston. Old seal, hard as plastic.
Clean the groove perfectly.
Fresh lube for new seals. New seal, no more sticking. Smooth, exactly what we want. Brake cleaner cuts the grime. Surface rust, gone.
Fresh pads, safe stopping.
Pin in, pads aligned. Back on the rotor. Torque later, seat it now. Fresh fluid in. Bleed the air out. Still spongy, keep bleeding. Close it, repeat. It's firming up. Varnish finally breaks loose. Gets clear again. Air test, no blockage. Float pin was crusty.
Count turns, don't lose baseline.
Passages need to breathe. Clean metal tells the truth. Needle seats properly now.
Float moves freely.
New gasket, no leaks. Snug, no over tight. Now it rolls, finally. Electricity needs clean metal. Solid connection restored. Bad ground kills starters. Corrosion right on the terminal.
Bare metal contact, done.
Ground restored.
Bright ends conduct better.
Contacts get a quick bath.
Fuse seated tight.
Switches need love too.
That's a better click. Same treatment for each carb.
Brush until it shines.
No bubbles means open passages.
Sticky throttle is dangerous. Return snap is better. Let's check spark plugs. Plugs fouled, no wonder. We'll try to save it. Gap set, ready for spark. Thread it by hand, always. Just snug, no stripping. Cap seated. Ready to refit the carbs. Helps the carbs slide in. Carb rack seated.
Seal the intake boots.
New fuel line, no cracks. Tank rinse, break the varnish. Filter's clogged solid.
Let it flush through.
Tank secured. Fresh fuel only. Fuel on, watch for leaks. Dry, good. Soak neck vit. Cold start, choke on.
Cranks, now we're close.
Free the float. Classic trick.
Spark is there. Tiny throttle, don't flood it. It wants to catch. Half choke, try again.
There it is, alive.
No fuel leaks, good. Dry drain bolt. Throttle response is back.
Lights work good.
Brake light responds.
Seat cover is beyond saving.
We replace the foam.
Clean base before new foam.
New foam, same shape.ตัวไหนฮะ Tight, even tension.
Shut it down. Final assembly. Seat back on.
Bring the chrome back.
Original paint revived.
Final check on the caliper. Firm lever, safe.
Tire pressure check.
Chain needs lubrication.
Clutch feels smooth.
Time for a short roll.
Starts on command now.
Front brake bites.
Listen, smooth idle. Still dry, perfect. From barn dust to runner.
All basic checked.
Job done, reliable again.
A 70s legend, back on the road.